They left any notes for me?
Yes, I see a note here that says grumpy. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Valentino?
No, just to let you know, I'm not grumpy. To make this work, what we actually need, we need a few simple steps. So we need an Airtable or any CRM of your preference that you use. I use Airtable. We need an ElevenLabs agent. I will provide upon request if you need it, if you want it. I will send you the prompt that I use for testing. And then we need n8n workflow. So let's get this one sorted. So we need access to this base. So what we need to do in here is we create CPE, server trigger, and then what we need to do is go in tools, add new server, create a new custom, name it view tool demo table. We put the webhook, none for now, no approval, and then we go here in the tool settings speech immediate, so it activates straight away. We do add server, I trust this one, add it. And now everything we're gonna have in here in the YouTube demo, it should pop up in here as tools. So when we create the tool, it will pop up in here. So let's see how we go. So we go on Airtable, we go in, come on, don't let me down, YouTube demo, here you go. We got the search record in Airtable.
Hey there, I'm Alexis from AI Playground Support. How can I help you today?
Hey, I was wondering what is my status at the moment.
I can certainly help you with that. To start, could you please tell me your name and are you an existing customer or a new one?
My name is Valentino. That's why I say I want to check my status.
All right, Valentino, got it. So you're an existing customer. Could you please provide me with your phone number so I can look up your details?
04112355.
Thanks, Valentino. I found your record. It looks like your status is currently qualified. Is there anything else I can help you with regarding your status or anything else?
They left any notes for me?
Yes, I see a note here that says grumpy. Is there anything else I can help you with today, Valentino?
No, just to let you know, I'm not grumpy.
I understand, Valentino. I'm just relaying the information from the notes. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
No, all right, thank you. And that was it. That was pretty amazing. So basically, if you are a mechanic, as an example, you are a mechanic and a customer call to inquire about their car status. You have a database where it says the car is in service, missing parts or whatever, and then it will just read the status and say, what's your phone number? Or you created a transient assistant and then will know the phone number before you answer the call. But this is the basic setup. You answer the phone, see who is on the line, whatever they want, and then say, what's your phone number? Check the phone number and say, you got the information there. The car is not ready. The car will be ready by estimated time. And this is the simplest way you can actually add value to your customers and make you stand out. Very simple setup is very simple prompt. You just add your business information in there and then you just ask exactly what you want. This is one tool. Just check in the database. It doesn't write anything. It will just provide information. Here you go. Any customer that have called before and they have the information in the database will just pull it up and just answer their questions. Status of the car, status of everything. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and I'll see you next time.